What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you are new. Today's video is focused on this 3-strand twist out, and I'm going to tell you guys everything I used and the process that I took to achieve this look. Now, before styling my hair, I like to make sure that my hair is nice and clean. So I am going to start off by washing my hair. And to cleanse my hair, I'm using the Curl, Renew, and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse by Trey Luxe. And actually, all of the products that I'll be using in today's video are by Trey Luxe, and I'd like to thank Trey Luxe for sending me over these products to bring you guys this tutorial. Now, I really liked using this cleanser because it was so lightweight, but it did such a great job at clarifying both my scalp and my hair strands. This cleanser is sulfate free, and it really does clean your strands without stripping your hair of its moisture, and it can be used on all hair textures. Some of the key ingredients in this cleanser are elm extract, coconut milk, and aloe vera, and those specific ingredients help deliver moisture, provide protection to your strands, and restore the vibrancy of your curls. Then I followed up by using the Untie the Knot leave-in conditioner, and this leave-in conditioner is special because it's kind of like a 2-in-1. You can either use it as a conditioner to detangle your hair and rinse it out, or you can decide to just leave it in your hair and proceed to styling right after. So I applied this leave-in conditioner all over my hair, and then with a wide tooth comb, I was able to detangle my hair. This isn't something that typically happens, especially when my hair is very knotted and matted. But with this leave-in conditioner, I was able to easily detangle my hair. The process was not long at all. This leave-in conditioner includes botanical ingredients to help moisturize and strengthen your hair strands, and it can also be used on all hair types and is glycerin free. So I did go ahead and leave some of that leave-in conditioner in my hair, and then I parted my hair into 5 sections. To style my hair, I'm using the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream. This product is very, very thick. From previous experience in using this product, I know for a fact that my hair is very hydrated after using it. This cream is formulated with natural butters and light oils, which give you the perfect amount of slip that you need for your hair. Now, to hold my hair and the twist while it dries, I'm using the High Definition Curl Enhancer Styling Gel. The consistency of this product is very jello-like. It's almost like a flaxseed type of gel if you've ever created your own flaxseed gel at home. The key to the application process with this product is to have your hair typically soaking wet if you're trying to achieve the best curls for a wash and go. And you want to make sure that you're not using a ton of this product because a little really does go a long way. Now, because I was doing a twist out, I had my hair just wet enough, and I applied some of this gel along with the other products just to ensure that I have a good hold for my twists. To achieve a 3-strand twist, you want to just kind of make believe that your hair is going in a windmill motion. This can be a little confusing because your brain automatically kind of tells you that you should be braiding if you have 3 pieces of hair. But what you want to do is just alternate the pieces. Take the piece from the bottom and bring it to the top, and then grab the piece in the middle and bring it underneath. As you can see, I'm just flipping the position of each strand of hair to be able to achieve the twist, and then I just twirl down at the bottom. Now I'm gonna slow it down to help you guys understand just a little bit better. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your hair is completely detangled, and then you have your 3 pieces. I'm gonna take that piece in the middle and bring it up, and grab that piece from the top and bring it down. And then I'm just gonna continue repeating that motion, but this time grabbing the piece in the middle and bringing it around like a windmill. As you can see, I'm kind of just twirling all of the hair. Grab the piece in the middle, bring it down, and then my right hand is grabbing that piece at the bottom to bring it back up to the top. I hope that makes sense. It's more of a visual type of twist to understand, and it takes a lot of practice. At first, you might struggle a bit, but it's definitely possible. So after completing the first 6 twists, this is what my hair looks like. As you can see, they're not too big, but they're not too small. And I don't know if you guys can notice all that shine in my hair from using these products, but I really, really love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue repeating this process throughout all of my hair. And while I do that, I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit more about these Trey Luxe products. Now, this isn't the first time that I feature these products on my channel. I've actually used their products for a wash and go, which I really, really loved. All of Trey Luxe's products are formulated with all natural plant-based ingredients. They're all botanical, which basically means that they derive from plants, and they're all organic and formulated for every type of hair texture. Aside from that, all of their products smell really, really good, and it doesn't require you to have to use a ton of the product to achieve the look that you want. I let my hair dry overnight, but if you wanted to, you can sit under a hooded dryer to expedite that process. So to unravel my hair, I first used the Reflex Curl Styling Serum all over my hair. Now this serum, oh my gosh, it is so slippery and it smells so good. I took just a little bit of that product and put it all over my twists and near my scalp just to help hydrate my hair just a little bit more. I liked using this serum because it's a very lightweight product, so it didn't weigh my hair down or didn't make me lose any volume after using it, so I really enjoyed that. This product is also glycerin free and can be used to refresh your curls midweek or between your wash days. This was my first time using this serum, and it is definitely a product that I will continue using because I really, really enjoyed how well it made my hair feel. The unraveling process of the 3-strand twist is very similar to a regular 2-strand twist. You kind of just have to untwirl, like twirl it the opposite way that you twisted it to release those twists. And at the bottom, you just want to be a little bit gentle because in some of the twists, you're probably going to either 2-strand twist it down or you're just going to twirl it and finger coil it at the end. So after my hair is all unraveled, I like to pick it all up and bring it down section by section. And the separation process is the same as well as how I do it with my 2-strand twist. Basically, I pull the section, and wherever the hair naturally separates is where I kind of glide my finger through to help it open up and add some volume. My last step is to use a pick to add a little bit more volume to my hair. This process is optional, but I like to have a lot of volume on day 1. And there you have it. These are my final results. I think I'm gonna stick to 3-strand twist outs moving forward because I really, really love this. Thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to go down below to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.